Good morning. This is a tutorial video about how to install and operate the HS1000C cryolipolysis machine. Please watch this video before you install the machine. The first step: install all the wheels. You can step on here to use the foot switch. Now the handpiece holders. Use a Phillips screwdriver. Screw the top, then the bottom. Tighten both after that. Here is what the machine will be like after you finish the installation. Now we need to add water. Connect a tube into the inlet. Another tube to the overflow. Add water until there is water coming out from overflow. Connect the handpiece. Install the treatment applicator. Press this button, then push in. Plug in the power cable. Turn on the switch. Here is the emergency button. Press in to cut off the power. Rotate to release. After entered the front page, you can select the gender, age group, and thickness of fat. The system would automatically detect the insert. First line is the treatment duration. Second is suction. The third icon means the cooling level. You can increase or decrease by the up and down. The higher level means more powerful of the machine. Start, pause. You may also notice that the light on handpiece turns into blue after it's working. Before the treatment, massaging the treatment area for 2 or 3 minutes. Draw out the treatment area. Place the anti-frozen membrane. Make sure it is flat. In addition, You can also use the plastic wrap on the top of anti-frozen membrane to prevent oil suck into the handpiece. Put the handpiece on the treatment area. Long press the button to start. When you finish the treatment, long press again to pause. Slowly insert a finger to break the vacuum. Clean the treatment area and the machine. If your client is going to do double chin treatment, place anti-frozen membrane first. Make it even and flat. Attach the handle to the chin. Use the hook and loop fastener on the handpiece and neck pillow. Make it not fall off. You need to change the water every 45, no more than 60 days. Insert the tubes to the outlet and overflow to empty the tank.